Looking to eliminate ignition problems and boost your vehicle's performance? The Proform 66946C HEI wire harness radio capacitor kit is the upgrade your distributor needs. This essential component ensures reliable spark delivery, cutting down on frustrating no-spark moments that stall your engine when you least expect it. I've seen how small wiring issues can cause big headaches, especially when your car's ignition system isn't firing consistently. After switching to this Proform kit, the difference was clear. The kit fits perfectly, and the radio capacitor helps reduce electrical interference, so your ignition system runs smoother and more reliably. The kit's compact design measures just 9.4 by 7 by 1.2 inches and weighs only 1.6 ounces, making installation straightforward without adding bulk. It's built with quality materials by Proform, a trusted name in automotive parts, so you know you're getting durability and precision with every use. If you're tired of intermittent spark issues or just want to upgrade your distributor with confidence, this kit covers all the bases. Plus, it ships quickly, orders go out within 3 business days, so you won't be waiting long to get back on the road. What's more, Proform stands behind this product with a 30-day return policy. If the kit doesn't meet your expectations or arrives damaged, you have a clear path to resolution. That kind of trust is rare and worth considering when investing in your car's ignition system. Worth a look if you want a hassle-free, reliable ignition upgrade that fits perfectly and improves performance. Don't overlook the importance of a solid wire harness and capacitor when upgrading your distributor. They make all the difference in ignition consistency. If that's you, the Proform 66946C HEI wire harness radio capacitor kit is ready to deliver what you need. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your ignition system with a component designed to keep your engine firing strong and steady.